Golf legend Greg Norman, he's recovering at home this morning after a bad injury with a chainsaw that could have been much worse. The Hall of Famer, though, in good spirits, and Gio Benitez is in Social Square with all of the details. Good morning, Gio.
Good morning, Lara. So many online right now are sharing Greg Norman's photos. The golfer, everyone known as the Shark, posting this happy photo just a week before the accident that would put everything in jeopardy. This morning, retired World Golf Hall of Famer Greg Norman is making headlines not for his mega swings, but because he almost lost one of the hands that made him a golf great, nearly cutting it right off with a chainsaw at his South Florida home. The 59-year-old posting this photo to his Instagram account Saturday, right from his hospital bed, with the caption, "Working with a chainsaw, always be respectful of the unexpected. I was one lucky man today, damaged but not down and out, still have left hand." Norman was using the power tool to cut back trees on his property when the weight of a branch pulled his left hand toward the chainsaw, the blade hitting him just below his wrist. Doctors say the Hall of Fame golfer and entrepreneur is lucky that it missed his artery by a fraction of an inch. Norman is pictured here in an Instagram photo using a chainsaw to trim a sea grape tree a week before the incident, saying, quote, "Never ask someone to do something that you can do yourself. Love to work." And this morning, it seems Norman still has an intact sense of humor, posting this picture to Instagram Sunday, saying, "Thank you all for your concern and good wishes. All well the morning after the accident. Here I am at the scene of the crime with my new fashion statement." A fashion statement indeed, and there he is with that photo again, showing us that thumbs up. And by the way, he says that chainsaw wasn't running at full speed, so that's why he doesn't have any major damage. Robin George.
Oh, he is very, very
thing,
fortunate.
yeah.
Okay, Gio, thank you very much.